how it looks on the outside. Quite convenient, eh? You don't have to go and wait for the cameraman right before the studio. And that's how it looks inside. There's a little chair right there just for one person, and the screen. Decided that it's not going to be just blood related family experiences.
The community,
Yes,
is family.
Welcome. Select a language and press the select button. Thank you for using this machine. Select the purpose of use of the photographs and press the select button. These are the sizes used in passports and for other applications. Press the select button if these are the sizes you want. The print finish to display detailed information. Photographs will be taken in excellent mode. In this mode, you can adjust skin quality and skin color and select the background. You can select the photographs you like with a natural and beautiful finish as though taken and retouched by a professional cameraman. Press the select button if this is the mode you want. Photographs will be taken in premium mode. In this mode, you can take photographs upon selecting from two types of enhanced skin correction. Press the select button if this is the mode you want. Photographs will be taken in standard mode. Press the select button if this is the mode you want. Before the photography, please read the cautions displayed on the screen. If you want to confirm detailed points of photography, press the hints for taking clear pictures. When you are ready, press the photo button. Keep your hair out of your eyes. If you have a fringe, move it left or right to show as much of your forehead as possible. As far as is possible, remove extravagant earrings and necklaces. Make sure clasps for accessories are not at the front. Make sure your necktie knot isn't loose or crooked. Straighten any creases in your clothes. Sit straight with hips and shoulders lightly pressed against the wall. By stretching up and then lowering your arms, you can straighten your back into a relaxed state. Face straight ahead without leaning to one side or the other. Adjust not just the orientation of your face but also any imbalance in the height of your shoulders.
I don't know why under here it looks so dry. Alright, last time. Tired, can't bother.
Making a good impression is very important. The expression of your eyes and your gaze can change your impression. Do not show your teeth. If you are a woman, smile slightly. If you are a man, raise the corners of your mouth to give a forceful expression.
Okay! You serious?
Photographs will be taken 2 times. Lightly pull in your chin and straighten your back in a relaxed manner. The photograph will be taken 3 seconds after you press the shutter button.
Try your ear fit you, darling. The gentleman will not resist you. See there, as I leave the yard, say miss you, because he can't resist you. Look at the chest, can you imagine the rest?
3, 2, 1. Select the photograph you want to print. Press the retake button if you want to take the photograph again. Photographs will be taken 2 times. Lightly pull in your chin and straighten your back in a relaxed manner. The photograph will be taken 3 seconds after you press the shutter button. Select the photograph you want to print. Press the retake button if you want to take the photograph again.
I think for 800 yen, why may I tell her I got mine outside of it. A 3 boot there. For this amount of money, I retake. It's expensive, brother. I through the convenience store, it's cheaper, but it's kind of difficult to set it up because it's things in Japanese. I retake, because my ear right here says stick out.
Photographs will be taken 2 times.
Money may I pay.
Lightly pull in your chin and straighten your back in a relaxed manner. The photograph will be taken 3 seconds after you press the...
Alright, we take it last time. I'm tired here, man.
The retake button if you want to take the photograph again.
My eye look kind of cast. And I think, oh. Why? Why take this? I look too bad, eh? You know, so when you take some before and then they look better than this. Oh man, alright, last time.
Photographs will be taken 2 times.
Yes. I'm looking in the camera. Smile obviously falls, but can't bother.
Adjust the position of your face.
Alright,
First, use the pink up-down buttons to align the pink line with the tip of your head. Next, use the green up-down buttons to align the green line with the tip of your chin. Finally, use the blue left-right buttons to align the blue line with the center of your face. When you have finished adjusting, press the select button.
Bottom of chin, it must go all the way down. I don't know. I don't know, depending on the size of the photo, I don't know how them are going to print it, but I put it all the way down. They will know how to print it. And the center, is it center? No. Right, a point on the tip of my nose there, so between my teeth. How that look, how that look. Alright. I'm not fussy still, but for me 800 yen, no man. I have to make sure. Why? Alright.
The photograph COULT FTV taken correctly. Please follow the screen instructions and retake.
What is that foolishness now, you know, man? That's so much something I forgot to do and I pay my money. And you couldn't just fix everything. Print is white around the edges. Try the following. Press the return button to make sure that your face is correctly and press the photograph again button to retake the photograph. Let me return. Sure.
Photograph face. When you have finished adjusting, press the select button.
Yeah, man.
Are these contents acceptable? Press the select button if these are the contents you want.
Tired of it. I'm done. I maybe they put a chin down too far, but wow. But then should I correct this something? People are paying so much money. Alright, select.
Your photographs are now being printed.
15 seconds. I'm not gonna change that. Put the money before we take the money. Now printing.
Printing is finished. Take your photograph from the print outlet. Be sure not to leave anything behind.
Nice.
Thank you for using the machine.
Wow.